Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 7 of exercise 13.1. Now question number 7 carries two parts. Okay, now what is the question saying? Suppose 2 kg of sugar contains 9 into 10 to the power 6 crystals. Okay, so how many sugar crystals are there in first part is 5 kg of sugar, and in the second part they have asked 1.2 kg of sugar. So what are the two topics that has been discussed in the question? The two topics are number of sugar crystals and weight of sugar. That is given in the kg form. Okay. So according to the first sentence, the number of sugar crystals is 9 into 10 to the power 6 in 2 kg of sugar. Fine. So they have asked how many number of sugar crystals would be there in 5 kg. That is, we have to find out this one, and this weight of sugar kg is given. Okay, now see, the weight of the sugar crystal is increased, so obviously the value of x will be more than 9 into 10 to the power 6. So this is a direct variation. So we'll write direct proportion. Okay, now since this is a direct proportion, so what we have to do, 10 into 10 to the power 6 upon 2 is equals to x upon 5, isn't it? Now, as because we have to get the value of x, so we have to do the cross multiplication. That is 10 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 6 into 5 is equals to x into 2. Now we have to transpose this 2 towards left hand side. So to look like 9 into 10 to the power 6 into 5 by 2 is equals to x. So 9 5s is what? 9 5s are 45 into 10 to the power 6 by 2 is equals to x. Now we have to divide this 45 by 2. Answer will come 22.5 into 10 to the power 6 is equals to x. Now this is a solution of sum number 1 of question number 7. Now let's move on to sum number 2. Yes, now this is sum number 2. So we'll keep the topics as it is because it is the same question. So in the second part they have asked if the weight of the sugar is 2 kg, so number of crystal is 9 into 10 to the power 6. So what would have been the number of, so how many sugar crystals would be there if the weight of the sugar kg is 1.2 kg. So again we have to get the same thing, that is now in case of 1.2 kg. Okay. So now again this is a direct proportion, that is direct proportion as because see the weight of the sugar, this part is decreasing, so we can expect that the value of y would be less than 9 into 10 to the power 6. So 9 into 10 to the power 6 upon 2 is equals to y upon 1.2. So we have to do the cross multiplication. So 9 into 10 to the power 6 into 1.2 would be equals to y into 2. So we have to get the value of 5. So we have to transpose this 2 towards left hand side. So 9 into 10 to the power 6 into 1 2 by 2 is equals to y. Now if we divide 9 by 2, so the answer would be 4.5 into 1.2 into 10 to the power 6 equals to y. Now we have to multiply this two number. So in that case we'll get the value of y as 5.4 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, now this is the solution of sum number 2. I hope that question number 7 was very easy and everyone has understood. Okay, now let's move on to sum number 8. Yes, now in question number 8, it is saying Rashmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. Fine. Now she drives on a road of 72 kilometer. So what would be the distance covered in the map? So we are discussing about the two topic is scale in centimeter and distance in kilometer. So we'll write it down, scale in centimeter and distance in kilometer. Okay, now according to the first sentence, when the scale is 1 centimeter, the distance would be considered as 18 kilometer. Fine. Now what we have to get, we have to find the distance covered in the map when she drives the route of 72 kilometer. So when she is driving the route of 72 kilometer, what is the scale in centimeter would be? So this is the question. Now, from the question itself, we can find the nature of the sum. That is, when the distance in kilometer is 18 kilometer, and the scale in map is 1 centimeter. Obviously, when we will increase the distance in kilometer, that is from 18 to 72, obviously the scale in centimeter in map will also increase. So see, both the quantities are increasing, so we will write this as direct proportion. Direct proportion. Okay, now since this question is in direct proportion, so what to write? 1 upon 18 would be equals to x by 72, isn't it? Now, to get the value of x, we have to do the cross multiplication. So 1 into 72 is, it would be 72, and 18 into x would be 18x. So we have to get the value of x. So we have to transpose this 18 towards right hand side. So 72 upon 18 would be equals to x. Now if you reduce it, so 18 ones are 18, 18 fours is 72, so x would be 4 centimeter. Hence the distance covered in the map would be equals to 4 centimeter. So you can write this. Hence the distance covered in map would be equals to 4 centimeter. So this is the solution of question number 8. So that's it for today. Thank you. So next days we'll explain question number 9 and question number 10. Thank you so much, students. Stay blessed.